Right, welcome to Rubber Stamp King. We are just going to show you today how to take an ink pad out of a standard self-inking rubber stamp and pop one back in. It's just a quick and easy demonstration. The rule applies to all self-inking stamps, whether or not it's a Trodat 4922 as this one is, or it could be a MaxStamp whatever, or a Colop. The same principle applies. So basically what you need to do to start off is press the stamp down a little bit. That's just to take the mechanism away from the ink pad. Give it a little push through with the thumb. Turn the stamp round. You'll see that the ink pad is now pressing out a little bit proud. So press the stamp down a little bit, grab hold of the ink pad, like so. I don't know whether you can see that. Sometimes they take a bit of a wiggle, and there you go. The ink pad is out of the stamp, and you're ready now to pop a new ink pad in to replace it. If you're feeling brave, you can apply a bit of ink over the pad with standard endorsing ink, which you can find from our website. So yeah, right, here we go. Let's pretend that's a new ink pad and we'll pop it back in the stamp. So again, you need to press it down a little bit. Some stamps have little locking mechanisms on the side, so you don't have to hold it manually. But anyway, press it down a little bit, take the mechanism away from the top, otherwise you'll push the rubber die off of the plate when you force it in. So here we go. Again, might be a little wiggle because it has to be reasonably tight in there. Just press into place and we're all done. That is it. That's exactly how you replace a pad in a self-inking stamp. Right, let's just press it down a few times, get some ink on the rubber. Right, let's see if it works. Upside down. There we go, that's the right way. Yep, that's working a treat. There we are. Right, there you go. Anyway, you will find replacement ink pads for Colop, Trodat and MaxStamp, Maxum and a variety of inks at www.rubberstampking.co.uk. And here's a little close-up of our stamp with one of our labels on, so you know where to come to next time you need a new stamp. Thanks for watching.